Okay, so we'll install the replication server here. We already have two instances of Sybase AAC running. Okay, so if you do show server, you can find that it's not working because sybase.sh is not set. So alternately, you can do ps-ef grep data server. Okay, so you see we have AAC2 here. Okay, then you will also see AAC1 you can see here. Okay, and then you will also if you do ps-ef grep rep, so you will have replication server running. Okay, and one is rs01. So what we are planning to do right now is to install one more replication instance which will be in the rs02 directory. So right now we are in the root directory /opt. Okay, let's create one directory mkdir rs02. Okay, so here now you have rs01, rs02 and rep. So rep is nothing but your ID server, replication ID server. rs01 is non-ID server, and rs02 also we will be using it as non-ID server, and this will be also part of SRS, which is secondary replication server. Okay, so let us get into the replication setup and we'll do the installation. So I have replication setup here. Okay, so cdebf and let's launch it. So /setup .bin. Okay, so we just need to provide the path and all, and afterwards installation will be completed. So it's a console version. You can do in the it's actually you can say UI version. Okay, console also if you want you can do -i console, even that will work. So let us do next. So we will install in the rs02 directory. So let us choose that. Okay, we'll go with the typical installation. Based on your geography, you can choose this. So I will choose India. I agree to the terms of the SAP license. Next, license key, we don't have license, so we'll go with the continue installation without a license key. Next, configure email alert, no, that's not needed. So next. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Okay, so you can verify all these things. opt/rs02 replication server, open clients is license utility, and SAP JRE disk space required. We have that much space. So now you can click on install and the installation will start. It will take a while. Okay, so installation is completed. So would you like to start the sample rep server? No, that's not needed. Let's say no. Create sample rep server directory. We will say again no. Okay, so it's all completed. So now you can click on done, and now if you go to cd/opt/rs02, and you will see that the directory structure is there, cd rep 16. Okay, and you will have cd install, and here you will have rs_init. So So this is the one that we are going to use for the configuration of replication server. So we will do that, and then we will be configuring secondary replication server, and we have to provide detail of the ID server. Okay.